This is the 2021 55-inch Samsung frame mounted vertically with three of them, basically giving you a three-piece multi-panel look. Notice the vibrant colors when you enable HDR. You're definitely going to want to enable HDR when showing your own content. Here's the three One Connect boxes. I've labeled them. Notice I did have to update the HDMI cable to 2.1. I chose the Fusion 8K cable. It's the best out there. It solved all the problems. Here I wanted to show you one last thing. I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights on in the room so you can actually see the frame outlined a little bit better. There you go. You can see what kind of reflection you get from the TV. And once again, these pictures just pop. So wrapping this up, these TVs are beautiful. If you want to put together a professional presentation, have some HDR, make sure you replace those HDMI cables. Fusion 8K is the way I went. It's what I recommend. Hope it works out great for you as well. Thanks.